Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today's review, or not really a review, but cooking, it comes at you from... What I'm doing up today came in a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. I can say things with words. And what we got, Sapporo Ichiban Toyama Shio. It's like white shrimp Shio. And if you're familiar with the Sapporo Ichiban Shio, you'll notice that the packaging kind of looks the same, but this is like special. So there you go. How are y'all doing? I'm all doing well. One noodle block going into the pot. Be like, but wait, that came from a bowl. Well, the thing that's rad about Japanese instant noodles, they indeed and in fact tell you how many mils of water go into it. So they'll say like, there'll be a number 3 and the number 340. So it's 3 minutes, 340 mils. Got me? So that works really well. And I believe that's what this was. I've been like running around like a chicken with my head cut off this morning, trying to get a ton of stuff done. This is a really fancy day that they worked into the the school week. There's no school on Wednesdays for either of them at all. Where it used to be that he would have his first class and his last class. Now he doesn't even get that. So, I mean, it's kind of lame for them. Although we had some good fun. I set up, well, I started to set up and then I got frustrated. My wife finished setting up the, what's it called? No, I'll just start with the first thing that happened today. Got up at 3:30, started working on top 10 list video stuff, and made the logos or the title screens for 5 top 10 lists. I did that, and then around 6 I went to the store, got chocolate milk, bananas, and salad greens, and then then got back, got the post done, and then tried to do some walking in here, but it just never really came to fruition. I'll do some later because I'll end up talking to my brother. But yeah, and we set up the rocket ship. It's like one of those things you put in all these pieces and it springs. Yeah, it's cool. They like it. But now it's down. They had their lunch. They're cruising around doing their thing, and it's only 11:40. So I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff done so I can do a little bit more and then talk to my brother. So number 243. Number 243. Food is the source of life. It sustains life. You can do it. You can do it. Anyways, got one of these coupon or ticket or whatever you want to call them from the Monopoly game going on right now at our local store. It's like, yeah, 50% off Nutter Butters. I'm really trying to be good. I've been so freaking horrible, gaining weight and all that crap. Picking up and setting down heavy objects, but you know, more garbage. I think we probably got time for one more. Maybe 2. Maybe. I got enough of these tickets, but 99% of them are just like, yeah. But yeah, top 10, bottom 10, top 10 cups, top 10 bowls, and top 10 Thailand. That's what I'm working on this week. It's Wednesday. pretty much I'm at the point where I just got to do a couple more little intros and then slap everything together and then do the posts, and that's it. And I don't have to deal with top 10 lists for a while. Oh, but I also have to, I always do the background for the site and everything. I change it up this time of year, so. Nothing. Okay. Let's give this a try. I'm very curious. I like these zenpop boxes. I like the umai crates too. You know, they all have like their own little shtick, their own little nicety and interestingness. The varieties that are in these zenpop boxes, they're never in the umai crate, so that's a plus. And there's going to be a new one that I'm going to get to try from 5 a.m. Ramen. Shout out to Frank. And yeah, I'm very curious about that. Brothy. Nice little shrimp bits. I like that. I will say it's incredibly salty, but it's Shio. Still. Not bad. Not too bad at all. Let's do this up pro style. I hope you have your pro class helmets on and you're ready. Let's do it to it. Let's go swimming in a bowl of ramen. You ready? Ready for that kind of jazzy action? Here we go. All right, so we're gonna start off with, I think we're just gonna go right for the throat. Oh, it's dirty. We'll use the love knife. And this is one of the farm eggs. It's extra small, but it seems like the right one to use for this one. I have a feeling this is gonna be like way overcooked, because some of the eggs were really big. Ah, it's not so bad. That's my wife for you. She brings the perfection game all the time. So there's that. Obviously, these won't be white shrimp from Toyama Prefecture, but these are actually from Costco Prefecture. Yeah. Is there such a place? Costco Prefecture? Costco. I'm so stoked. It's only a little while till I get my second shot. I'm really, like, ready for it to be 2 weeks after I've gotten my second shot. I really want to visit my sister. I haven't seen my sister in, God, a year. Almost, well, no, not a year, but a freaking long time. And with my mom dying last June, it's been kind of like, not cool. I wish she ought not have done that. she were around, I would say right now, don't do that. But unfortunately, she is not. And it just occurred to me this morning that I ought to put a little thing in the beginning of the top 10 in memory of my mom. And so I shall. Put a little bit of shichimi on these shrimp. A little. I did say a little. Now let's try to... Okay, now you can enjoy. I think. All right, so there's that one. This is the first of 3 Japanese varieties. Japan Wednesday. I'm doing like all these ones out of this Zenpop box just for, cause I ain't done it before. But this is tomorrow's enjoyment. This is Myojo. What is it called? Mode Gakuen. Gakuen. Mode Gakuen. It's a vocational school. And this is Friday night garlic flavored shoyu tonkatsu, I think. Or Friday night. That's when you eat garlic. See you then. Bye.